Ever scrutinized your diet and wondered if you could explore the world of plant-based recipes? Well, today we're delving into the realm of plant-based nutrition, a dietary lifestyle that is not only sustainable, but also packed with health benefits. A key guide on this journey is Plantrition 50 Plant-Based Recipes for Optimal Nutrition, penned by Carl Wong. This book serves as a culinary compass, guiding us through a world of delicious and nutritious plant-based recipes. Imagine biting into a slice of mouth-watering vegan pizza, or savoring a hearty vegan burger, or even enjoying a plateful of comforting vegan lasagna. These are just a few of the tantalizing recipes that await within the book's pages. But remember, as we journey through this book and explore the world of plant-based nutrition, it's essential to remember one crucial thing. Knowledge is power, but only when applied. Let's apply this knowledge to our plates. Not convinced yet? Hear it from those who have walked the plant-based path thanks to Plantrition. Individuals across the globe have shared their testimonials expressing how these 50 plant-based recipes have transformed their lives. One reader, for instance, found her energy levels skyrocketing after just a week of following the book's recipes. Another reported a significant drop in weight, feeling lighter and healthier than ever before. And it's not just about physical benefits. Many have found that the mental clarity that comes with this nutritional approach is nothing short of life-changing. They've said goodbye to the afternoon slumps and hello to a newfound zest for life. The tremendous benefits of eating plant-based recipes are undeniable. From improved health and increased energy levels to effective weight management, the advantages are vast and varied. With Plantrition, you're not just learning to cook delicious meals, you're also gaining knowledge that could significantly improve your life. Remember, with plant-based recipes, you are not just eating food, you're consuming health. Ready to embark on your journey towards optimal nutrition? Look no further than Plantrition, 50 plant-based recipes for optimal nutrition. This treasure trove of health-boosting recipes is available now on Kindle and Amazon. Just click the link in the description to secure your copy. Remember, this video is an HSF production. Health Star Fitness is not just about delivering information, it's about walking with you on your path to wellness. We're here to provide the knowledge, tools, and support you need to transform your health and vitality. So don't wait another day. Dive into the delicious world of plant-based nutrition and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. The wisdom contained within Plantrition isn't just words on a page, it's a practical guide to a healthier, happier you. Grab your roadmap to success, Plantrition, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for updates. Together, let's reach for health and vitality.